Here, Roo. Look, there he goes.
Easy. He's licking the chair to tickle him. Well,
Is that a video?
yeah.
Oh, good.
Roo, you're Roo's new best friend.
Ooh, don't eat it.
Easy, Roo, easy. Easy, Roo. You got it. You got it.
He got it.
You got it.
Well, there goes Skinny Roo. He's going to be back now. Oh, it tickles.
Roo,
Here.
Roo.